So guys, walking in Barcelona. Got some nice buildings. Got my buddy right here, Erwin. My man from Nicaragua. Alright, this is not the famous Holy Cross and Family Church, but this is a church. Beautiful. Alright guys.
The Petronas?
Here, yes, exactly. The Petronas Tower, yeah.
They look like that actually.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, I can see it. Alright guys. La Sagrada Familia. Thanks to my friend Erwin. The original side of the La Sagrada Familia Cathedral. As you can tell, this side is definitely more detailed compared to the newer side. Alright guys, we're at the, where are we at right now?
Las Ramblas.
But Sunday,
It's closed.
and everything is closed. So can't go shopping because they have, in January they have the rebajas, which is the sales. I have to ask Erwin to make sure my pronunciation is correct. Because you know, this Chinese guy is trying to learn how to speak Spanish, but every day it's getting better and better, so that's a good thing. Alright, look at this big mug of Sangria right here. It's actually pretty good. Alright, got a half piece of chicken, some fries. My buddy got some croquettes and some potatoes. Port de Barcelona. Alright, so what is Barcelona also known for?
Cruises.
Why?
Because they are in the Mediterranean.
Right beside me is the famous Camp Nou Stadium where FC Barcelona plays. You got famous players like Suarez, of course Messi, best player in the world. The layout of the stadium of Camp Nou. Guys, right behind me is Camp Nou Stadium, FC Barcelona, baby. Alright guys, here it is. Anilla Olímpica. Hey guys, after Camp Nou I decided to walk to the Olympic Park in Barcelona. I'm in Barcelona again, third time here. Right now I'm at Guell Park. This is where some of Gaudi's pieces of artwork is stored, as you can tell. I'm inside. So basically this part you have to pay to get in. If you purchase a ticket online, it's 7.5 euros. Or if you don't feel like paying for a ticket to get inside, you could basically walk around the park. just walking around Guell Park. This is basically the part where you don't have to pay, you just walk around the park. Get to see good views, get to take cool pictures of the Mediterranean Sea over there. I mean, the outside of the park has a lot of really cool just structures where you could take really cool photos. Few favorite parks in the world. I mean, just the patterns of the rocks, the art patterns, the artwork here. It's magnificent. Fresh air. I mean, like once you get to the top, which is kind of where I am, as you can tell over there, get a good view of Barcelona, the Mediterranean Sea, the beach area, the water area, the port. I mean, look at that. But yeah, you guys should totally come check this park out. Definitely one of my favorite parks in the world for sure. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Peace.